we have to attempt a question of poetic appreciation, we have to write our answer with the help of above points. In short, we have to elaborate each and every point. The points are given on the slide. So let's begin with the first point, that is title. The title of the poem is very significant as Walt Whitman has used the word song with a definite purpose, that he enjoys to travel on the open road without any tension and worries of past, present, and future, and face the life without any complaint against life. The poet wants to move ahead on the road of life with his own will and goodness. The title also indicates freedom. The poem is inspirational and narrative. The poet describes open road as a metaphorical journey associated with freedom, independence, and self-determination. In the next point, let's talk about the poet. Walt Whitman was American poet, journalist, and an essayist whose verse collection of Leaves of Grass is actually a landmark in the history of American literature. He is popularly known as a father of free verse, means no style restriction exists in his work. No rhyme, no meter, he prefers to show only natural pacing of language. His poems display extended lines which do not follow the standards for line length. His themes place an emphasis on the importance of understanding the recognitions of yourself in the wide scheme of the world. Whitman considers himself a lifelong learner, though he was the most influential poet in America. Talking about the theme of the poem, we can say that the freedom, relaxation, joy, and optimism are the major themes of this poem. Throughout the poem, the poet encourages readers to be true to themselves and live a free life. Although his life is not free from obligations and troubles, he encourages everyone to live their dreams, leaving the obstacles behind. Relaxation is somewhat like freedom. Having both freedom and relaxation takes away your troubles from you. In this poem, Whitman symbolizes the road as a mobility where people can come together in a meaningful way, where people can explore new ideas. The poem is written in a free verse that doesn't have specific pattern, rhyme, or a meter. Still, the lines have artistic expressions. Whitman separates his poem into 4 stanzas, so it is narrated in a first person. The language of the poem is simple and lucid. The poem flows very well from beginning to the end. As the poet is not constrained by rhyme scheme or line lengths, he is able to write freely, letting his own ideas and thoughts dictate the style of the poem. Poet uses open road as a symbol of freedom and opportunity. Poet has also made use of other poetic devices, that is metaphor, paradox, and repetition. The poem inspires us to continue the journey of happiness and be optimistic, as most of us have been blessed by the freedom and opportunities. The poem also teaches us to accept our responsibilities and be optimistic, thus changing our perspectives. In the last point, where our personal opinion matters, so I would say that the simplicity, free verse, optimism makes me fall in love with this poem. The mood of the poem is relaxing, carefree, and stress-free. So it's a light-hearted and cheerful poem. Thank you.